Still missing deadlines even when your team gives 110%? That's what happens when systems can't keep up with the work. Practice management is a challenge for even strong, well-optimized teams. One missed task can throw everything into disarray. Practice management software centralizes workflows, deadlines, clients, and staff capacity in one system. It replaces spreadsheets, emails, and scattered tools with a single source of truth. The right software creates clarity around who is doing what and when. Firm-wide workflows keep work moving from preparation to review to completion. Scalable software supports growth without constant process rebuilds. Ease of use drives adoption, consistency, and reliable data. Integrations reduce duplicate work and keep client records accurate. Built-in security protects sensitive financial information and client trust. The wrong choice creates friction. The right choice becomes the backbone of the firm. Xenett strengthens accuracy and visibility by identifying repeated transactions instantly. Paired with the right practice management software, Xenett improves reporting and confidence in firm data. Start building a cleaner, calmer practice with Xenett today.